Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. So in today's lecture, we are going to study that how we can find out RMS value of the given alternating current. Okay. So in this procedure, we have to do three things. First one is square, second one is mean, and third one is square root. So let's start with the equation of alternating current. So here you can see a signal of AC current, or we can say the abbreviation that AC is used for alternating current only. So alternating current is, we are assuming here as I equals to I naught sine omega t. This is the alternate equation of alternating current we are going to use here, and same is drawn for this signal in the above graph. So here, and the time period of this signal is, and period of this AC current is T. T is the time period of this AC signal. So now, first of all, if we are finding out here the RMS value, then we need to take care of three things. Let me write here RMS. So this divides into three parts: root, mean, and the third one is square. Okay. So first of all, what we will do, we will square of the given signal, I square. Then we will take the mean of the given signal. Then this will be the mean. And then we are going to take the square root. So that's how we can find out the root mean square value of the alternating current. So let's start with the first step, that is square. So squaring of the alternating current, we will get square, we will get, first step is squaring. So we will get I naught square sine square omega t. Okay, this is the equation. And basically it is time dependent, as you can see. So first step is done. We have squared the alternating current, that is I square equals to I naught square sine square omega t. And here I naught is the amplitude of the current, or it is named as maximum value of the current. Okay, it is I naught here, or we should write here somewhere that here I naught is the maximum value. Let me write I naught is maximum current, or we can say amplitude of the given alternating current. Now we will come to the second step, that is finding out the mean of I square. What will be the mean of I square? As we know that it will be I square and integration over one time cycle over the function, that is I square, and divided by its time period t. So that's how we can find out. Now let's place the equation. Then finally we will get I square equals to 0 to t I naught square sine square omega t dt, and it is divided by time period t. Now whatever things are constant here, we can take them out from the integration. So we will get I naught square by t and integration over 0 to t sine square omega t dt. This will be the equation. Now we know one trigonometric identity, that since cos 2 theta is written as 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So from this, we can say trigonometric identity, we can find out that sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. So we will apply this trigonometric identity in the given integration. So our equation will become I square, mean of I square, I naught square divided by 2, I naught square divided by time t. And it will be 0 to t and 1 minus cos 2 omega t and this whole divided by 2 into dt. This will be the equation. Now, this equation can be simplified as I naught square by 2t and 0 to t 1 minus cos 2 omega t into dt. Now we have to do the integration. So we will get I square equals to I naught square by 2t and the integration of 1 will be t minus integration of cos 2 omega t will be sine 2 omega t divided by 2 omega and the limit is from 0 to t. Now place the place the limits. We will get I square equals to I naught square divided by 2t and now first of all put the limit for small t. So it will be t minus 0. Now 1 upon 2 omega, take it is, because it is a constant, so take it out. And now place the uh, limits for sine 2 omega t. So sine 2 omega into t minus sine 0. Because we will multiply here 0 with 2 omega, so it will make it 0. Now we know that the value of sine 0 is 0. Now the equation will become as mean of I square will be I naught square divided by 2t will be t and this 0 is 0. So it will be minus of 2 omega. Now we know that omega is angular frequency. So it can be written as 2 into omega can be written as 2 pi divided by t and sine 0 is 0. Okay, so if you want to write out, then you can write 2 pi upon t. Now the equation will become as I square equals to I naught square by 2t multiplied by t minus 1 upon 2 omega sine 4 pi it will become sine 4 pi minus 0. As we know that sine 4 pi, since sine 4 pi is also 0, so we will get final equation as average of I square will be I naught square divided by 2t multiplied by t, because this will become 0. So finally t and t will be cancelled out and we will get I square will be I naught square divided by 2. So this will be the mean value of the square of alternating current. Now our task was to find out RMS value, root mean square value. So now third step will be RMS value of alternating current. So it will be IRMS will be equals to square root of mean of IR square. This will be the equation. Now put the expression and we will get the final result. So it will be RMS will be equals to I naught square by 2 and its square root. Now we will get the equation as IRMS will be the square root of I naught square will be I naught and square root of 2 is square root of 2. So this is the equation of, this is the well-known equation of RMS current, or we can say RMS value of the alternating current. And sometimes it is written as IRMS equals to 0.707 into I naught. It is also correct because we know that 1 upon square root 2 is nothing but 0.707 and I naught is I naught. Here similarly we can find out the RMS value of voltage also, because we know that there are two types of signals: alternating voltage, alternating current, when we deal with alternating signals. So here similarly, if you want to write it, so it will be similarly RMS value of alternating voltage. If the voltage is of the type V naught equals to, sorry, V equals to V naught sine omega t. So here also the equation will become as VRMS equals to V naught divided by, wait, V naught divided by square root of 2. This will be the equation of RMS voltage, root mean square voltage. I hope you understood these two phenomena are RMS voltage and RMS current. If you still have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. We'll try to solve in the next video. Thank you.